Hello all of you. Now in this video I will explain the chapters 6 and 7 from the book Vani for class 2. So hope you can see this. This is U ki matra. U, badi U ki matra. So this will be written like this. Ku, chu, tu, pu, su. Suraj. Suraj is sun. Jhula, jhula means swing. Tarbooj is watermelon. Bhalu is bear. Now read. Chudi, chudi is bangle. Nakhun, nakhun means nails. Pudi, pudi is a bread which we make. Patloon is a pajama, wide legged pajamas. Kaju is cashew. Suraj, sun. Balu means sand. Fuldan is flower vase. Puja, which we do every day. Khajur is dates. Tapu, tapu is a kind of place in the river in between. What we see is a kind of another land kind of thing. Amrud is guava. नीतू सुबह उठी. नीतू सुबह उठी, नहाकर पूजा की थाली सजाई. नीतू got up in the morning and she made the puja thali for worship. She made the plate ready. धूप बत्ती जलाई. Now she offered धूप to God. फूल दिए. Now she offered flower to God. दूध की बनी मिठाई रखी. And then she offered a sweet with made up of milk. फिर पूजा हुई. Then पूजा started. काकू और नीतू फल बाजार गए. काकू एंड नीतू दे वेंट टू द फ्रूट मार्केट. अमरूद, चीकू, तरबूज, खरबूज खरीदा. दे बॉट ग्वावा, चीकू, वाटरमेलन एंड मस्कमेलन. घर आकर फल छीला. दे पील ऑफ द फ्रूट्स. छिलका कूड़ेदान में डाला. एंड दे थ्रो द peeled things in the dustbin. So we have to always keep our dirt in the dustbin. Subah is morning. Fool, flower. Doodh, milk. Phal, fruit. Now we go to the exercise. Okay. Now see the answer and then write. Neetu kab uthi? Neetu subah jaldi uthi. So she got up early in the morning. थाली में किसकी बनी मिठाई रखी? We read now that थाली में दूध की बनी मिठाई रखी. काकू और नीतू ने बाजार से क्या खरीदा? काकू और नीतू ने बाजार से, now we can see here they bought अमरूद, चीकू, तरबूज, खरबूज. So they bought all the fruits. सूरज, चूड़ी. So you have to put the u की मात्रा here where it is correct. Look at the picture and mark u की मात्रा in the correct place. सूरज, चूड़ी, फूलदान, जूता, खरबूज, अमरूद. We have read all of them. So now where the u की मात्रा will go, you have to place the correct place. Now बोलकर पढ़िए. You have to read aloud. दूर, जूही, धूल, फूल. Now you have to understand the difference and then write. Okay. This is chun. Here you can see this is choti u ki matra and this one is the badi u ki matra. Chun, chuna. Khush, khushbu. Sur, suraj. Gul and gular. So here you can see both are choti u ki matra. But here su and then suraj. So this is choti u ki matra and in suraj we will write badi u ki matra. So the meanings also change. This one is, you have to match this. This is fool. Fool means you have to match here. Okay. Puri, suraj, tarbooj and mooli. Mooli is radish. Chudi, bangle. You have to match this. Okay. Students will go to the next chapter. This is Ru. Ru, learn this also. We have to read this also. Rukna. So, rukna means stop. Rui is cotton. Guru. Guru is the teacher. Roothna. Roothna means to be sad or to be, you don't talk to your friend like that. Roothna. Rumal is handkerchief. Ruler is scale. Now you have to read this also. Rupya means note. Rudra. Rudra means a very big. Rui is cotton. Guru. Guru is a teacher. Shuru means start. Roop. Roop means a type or a dress what we wear and we form that character. Zarur means obviously or importantly you have to. Amrud. Amrud is guava. This is Ri. We will write like this Ri. So we can read here Kri, Gri, Nri, Pri, Vri, Shri. Griha. Griha means house. Vriksh. Vriksh is tree. You can write as a synonym for tree. And this is Krishi. Krishi means agriculture. Krishak, farmer. Vriksh, tree. Griha, home. Pitra means father. Nrip is king. Krishi is agriculture. Now you have to read this. Kripa, Kripa. Krishaka, Krishak. Amrit, Nrip, Pitra. Now we'll read the chapter. Nrip van gaye means the king went to the forest. One means forest. Raghav namak nrip ek din van gaye. So one king whose name was Raghav went to the forest. Mrig घास चर रहा था. Deer was having grass. Nrip कुटिया तक गए. Then the king went to the hut. नृप की वाणी अमृत समान मीठी थी. The king voice was very sweet. Okay. अमृत समान मीठी थी means it was very sweet. दूर एक कृषक कृषि कर रहा था and then there was a farmer doing agriculture. पास एक ऋषभ भी खड़ा था and this is ऋषभ. Nrip is king, Mrig is deer, Kutiya means hut, Rishabh is bull, Vani voice, Amrit nectar of God, Krishak is farmer. Now we'll go to the exercise. Hope you are understanding this. If you are not understanding anything, please comment me. Say the answer then write. Nrip का नाम क्या था? What was the name of the king? नृप का नाम राघव था. नृप की वाणी कैसी थी? नृप की वाणी अमृत समान मीठी थी. कृषक और नृप के बीच क्या बातचीत हुई? सोचकर बताइए और लिखिए. Now you have to think that the king and the farmer, what talk they must be had. So this you have to think and write. Okay. री की मात्रा लगाकर शब्द पूरा करिए. Complete the words by inserting री की मात्रा. Now you have to insert at the correct place. So here you have written ma ga. So we'll write mrig is deer. Griha is house. Krishi means agriculture. Okay students, that's all for now. Now we will read the next chapter in my next video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.